Our teaching philosophy in the Communication and Public Relations department really focuses on critical thinking, job preparedness, real life experiences, and getting the students involved in not only learning the theory and the practice behind it, but what they're going to do in the real world.
The way we try to create a well-rounded student is really through our curriculum, I would say, first of all, because we do have a wide range of classes that students take. Secondly, I would say our faculty. I think that the colleagues that I work with in my department, I think are amazing. I think that they're really, really strong. They've got great experience, they're great teachers, students love them, they have really good relationships with their students, and so I feel like as a department we have a really strong community, and I think that really starts with the faculty.
Professors really make it for Carthage. They really do care about their jobs, and when you see them teach, you really want to learn more about what they're saying. I would be like, yeah, my professor's like so fun, and they really care.
The professors and staff here really recognize what their students need. Here at Carthage, there's so many small classes, and it's for a reason. It's for professors to get to know their students and to adjust to their students that they have. So, for example, in my PR classes, they really adjust the curriculum to what not only is going on in current events, but also stuff going on in current events that we care about.
We look at theory, we do the academic learning because you have to know the history of your field, the tested theories that make sense out there in the real world. So we're looking at that academic side, but we always work with real companies in the PR classes in order to get them to apply that theory to something real world and see how the customer is going to react.
PR and communications is special to me because we get to do a lot of hands-on work, and it's not just lectures, it's not just sitting in class doing homework that you forget the next day. It's things that will really help you, and the hands-on work we've done is a lot of work with actually businesses in Kenosha. That's what we do in PR, and that's what you're going to do eventually.
The thing that Carthage has done to prepare me for a career in communications is giving me classes to help me succeed. Stuff like that really helps me figure out what kind of avenue I want to do for my field and exactly what I want to pursue in different areas.
I would highly recommend studying public relations and communications. They're very versatile fields, and I think that anybody, and no matter what you're going into, can learn something by studying communications and public relations.